In this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to block someone on AOL mail. So let's go ahead and dive into the video since the process is easy. First of all, open up a web browser and log into your AOL mail inbox. Once you are logged into your account by entering the correct credential, go ahead and open up the email from the sender you would like to block. Once you are done opening up your email, go to the top of the screen and click on the More button. Now, select Block Senders from the list and you will then come across this pop-up. Select Verify that you want to block the message from the following email senders. You also have an option to block all future emails from them or delete all existing emails from the contact. After you are done checking all these boxes, click on OK and you will then be able to block someone or block an email on AOL mail. Once you do so, you will then be able to block a sender or block someone on AOL mail in just a few steps. Now the emails from the blocked sender will be automatically moved to your spam or trash folder and the sender will not be able to send you emails directly to your inbox. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.